How's it going, everybody? This is going to be just a quick video on the sound design for this kick drum kind of sound that I made for this song. Oh! Nasty! There it is, soloed. Really distorted, grimy kind of sound. So what I did to get this is I started out with a normal kick drum sample just from the stock Logic sounds. I don't remember which kit it was. Here's what it sounds like dry. Pretty boring, just a normal kick drum. So here is the EQ settings that I put on. I did a little bump at 100 because I wanted it to thump a little bit, and I did a cut at about 300 because I wanted to take out some of the boxiness, and I rolled off some of those high-end frequencies because I wanted it to be nice and dark. Hear that? It's more thumpy and dark. So I also threw this compressor on there, not to do much, just to kind of squash a little bit. Not squash, but tame it a little bit. About a 2-to-1 ratio, only about 3 dBs of gain reduction. Again, it's not doing a whole lot. All right, so this next one is called a Bitcrusher, and what it does is it reduces the bit depth from whatever you have it normally. This session's at 24, reduces it down to 8, which makes it sound like more lo-fi, low resolution. Also, reduce the sampling by a margin of 4. Kind of makes it sparkly and shiny. Very cool, very cute. So this next one is called the Devil's Lock, by Sound Toys, and it is a distortion saturator, I believe. You can crunch, crush, dark, whatever. You can also do parallel with this mix knob. Ooh, nasty. I wanted it to be real grimy and gross, so I kept it fully engaged. I didn't pull down the mix knob at all. You can hear what that sounds like. I want it to be nice and fully disgusting. Okay, so this next plugin is just a filter, phaser. I honestly just picked one of the presets and messed with it a little bit. I don't even remember. Yeah, I just picked one of those and then changed it up. Made it sound a little diff. And finally, I threw a limiter on the end of the chain to keep it at the level that I want without it clipping or distorting. And I didn't want it to be too dynamic, so I didn't really care if I was squashing it or not. There it is in context. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you had fun. Bye-bye.